Recall, we defined a fraction m over n to mean m times 1 over n. We defined the division of two numbers, m divided by n, to equal this number m over n. Combining these ideas, we have that m divided by n is m over n, which we can write as m times 1 over n. So this means we can rethink division by a number n as multiplication by the reciprocal, 1 over n. This will be helpful when we are dividing by more complicated numbers. For example, if we want to compute 3 halves divided by 10 over 9. Since we can replace division with multiplication by the reciprocal, we can rewrite this as 3 halves divided by 10 ninths equals 3 halves times 1 over 10 ninths, the reciprocal. But we found that the reciprocal of a fraction switches the top and the bottom. So 1 over 10 ninths is 9 tenths. And we need to compute 3 halves times 9 tenths. But we know to multiply fractions, we multiply across the top and across the bottom. So we have 3 times 9 over 2 times 10, which is 27 over 20. So we found that 3 halves divided by 10 ninths is 27 over 20. As another example, let's compute 2 thirds divided by 10 ninths. Again here, we can replace division by 10 ninths with multiplication by 1 over 10 ninths, or 9 tenths. Now when we multiply this, we have 2 times 9 over 3 times 10, which is 18 over 30. But this is a fraction that we can reduce because 18 has a factor of 6 and so does 30. So we can write 18 as 3 times 6 and 30 as 5 times 6. And since 6 divided by 6 is just 1, we are left with 3 fifths. So 2 thirds divided by 10 ninths is 3 fifths.